I'm just going to get right into it if that's okay. Oh, my hat. Hey, everybody. My name is Travis with Parts for Garage Doors, and I just wanted to introduce ourselves to you. We are a garage door company that sells garage doors, garage door parts, garage door springs, garage door hardware, everything garage doors. You can buy it at a retail store. Our staff is really good about giving you how-to tips. We have an in-store demo where we can show you how to install a torsion spring if you've never installed a torsion spring before. And our trained staff, they ask you the correct questions, and that's really important so that they can get you the parts in your hand that you really need. You don't get that kind of help online. So we are here to help save you time, save you money, and help keep you safe by giving you the correct procedures that might help you out. We are locally owned and operated. We have a store on the feeder road, Katy Freeway and Beltway 8 on the west side. And this store here is on the east side on the East Freeway feeder, just east of Beltway 8. We're in Channelview. You guys are welcome to come check us out. We'll see you when you get here.